Yeah, STEM Day is obviously a very exciting time for our students. We've always believed that teaching science, even with the main focus being on reading and math, we've always tried to hold true to teaching science, social studies, making sure our students are well-rounded. And if you were to poll the students in our school, like what's your favorite subject, I think you find that the majority of those kids would choose science. And so having a day set aside specifically for STEM-related activities, learning about STEM-related careers, it's very exciting for the students, and then even for the teachers. If you go into the rooms and you see them in there, they're just as engaged with the speakers as the kids are. So it's certainly a time for everybody to learn, both students and teachers.
STEM Day at Towne Acres has been a way for students to interact with STEM professionals and see how they use science, technology, engineering, and mathematics in their daily lives, and then allowing students the opportunity to apply those concepts in real-world settings. The fact that they're doing a STEM Day is pretty awesome because every student that is at school today gets to attend. I think it also starts to build these positive attitudes towards STEM careers. Research shows that as early as second grade, some students have actually fostered their identity and their attitudes towards science and math. So they either think that they are good at it or they're not good at it. So starting as early here, like we're having kindergarten, first grade, and second grade all the way through fourth grade actually attending these experiences, really helps to build those positive attitudes towards STEM careers.
STEM Day is one of the most anticipated days of the school year. The kids love being involved with the volunteers that come in from the community. Local businesses send representatives in. We have parents that volunteer to show kids real-life application of STEM careers where they can actually see what these volunteers do in their jobs. And the volunteers bring in activities that the kids can do hands-on, and they can see how important science, math, technology, and we include art in our STEM, so more STEAM night. But we are very thankful that we have a community and we have local businesses that allow their employees to come and share this whole day with us, and hopefully get our kids excited about these types of careers and focus their studies so that in the future they'll be one of the volunteers that come back and present at our school.